Tagging a post is a great way to show your content to the communities that you want to reach. However, certain tags are just way too irrelevant for us, and we don't want to see them. We can accomplish this by blocking those tags. Welcome to Tech It Simple, and in today's video, we're going to see exactly how to block certain tags in Tumblr. First, head over to our Tumblr dashboard. Scanning the left sidebar, we can see Account. Upon clicking it, we can see our blog name. Click on it. In the new page that has appeared, in the midsection to the right of it, we can see Blog Settings. We want to click on it. Now, on the same right sidebar, a new option has appeared called Account. Let's click on it again. Scroll through this account until you see Content. You see, now there is something called Filter Tags. Click on this pencil icon. Now, type out the filter for your tags. Maybe I don't want to see the tags of dark violence, alright? And next, maybe I don't want to see, racism. Alright, so maybe that's it. That's it. Now you know how to filter tags in Tumblr. Hope you found this video helpful. For future updates like this, you can always subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.